Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're diving into the heart of Chinese cuisine with a classic dish that's sure to tantalize your taste buds, Chinese beef stir-fry. Get ready to join me step by step as we whip up this mouth-watering masterpiece. You'll need 1 green bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, a medium-sized onion, 3 garlic cloves, and 4 fresh spring onions. Go ahead and slice and dice these ingredients just as shown. Now, for that incredible burst of flavor, we're creating a fantastic marinade. In this small bowl, combine light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, a dash of black pepper, a hint of sugar, a touch of cornstarch, and a pinch of baking soda. The exact measurements can be found in the description box below. Give it a thorough mix, and watch as the flavors come alive. Time to get that beef infused with all the incredible flavors. Take your thinly sliced beef, you can choose any cut you prefer, and place it in a large mixing bowl. Pour the marination all over the beef, and give it a thorough mix, ensuring every piece is coated. Cover it up and let the magic happen as it marinates for about 30 minutes. Heat up a pan on medium heat and drizzle some vegetable oil. Toss in those beautifully chopped onions. Sauté them until they start to change color, releasing their sweet aroma. Next, make a little space in the center of the pan and introduce the garlic cloves. Let that incredible garlic aroma fill the air before giving it a gentle mix with the onions. Now, the star of our show, the marinated beef. Add it to the pan and let the sizzle symphony begin. Allow the beef to sear for about 20 minutes, ensuring it's cooked through and bursting with flavor. With the beef seared to perfection, it's time to elevate the dish even further. Drop in the vibrant red and green bell peppers for a burst of color and freshness. Then, add half a cup of water, cornstarch, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, sugar, and black pepper. Give it a good mix and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Remember to check the ingredients in the description box below. And now, for the grand finale, toss in those lovely spring onions, infusing the dish with their wonderful freshness. And there you have it, our classic Chinese beef stir-fry is now ready to grace your table. A symphony of flavors, colors, and textures that's bound to impress. Serve it over a bed of steamed rice, and watch your taste buds dance with joy. Thank you for joining me on this culinary journey to create a masterpiece of Chinese cuisine. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Heaven's Kitchen for more delectable recipes, and always remember, good food brings good mood.